In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Google Calendar for your best year ever. Google Calendar is a powerful tool that can do so much more than simply remind you of birthdays or meetings. Let's dive in to discover some tips and tricks that will make your calendar work better for you. First, let's start by navigating to your Google Calendar. It's your main hub for organizing all your activities, so be sure to bookmark it for easy access. Now, one of the best ways to keep everything organized is by creating separate calendars. You can set up individual calendars for different aspects of your life, like work, personal, and any ongoing projects. This separation helps you focus on specific areas without getting overwhelmed by a cluttered schedule. Once you have your separate calendars, consider assigning different colors to them, or even to specific events. This not only helps in visually distinguishing between categories of events, but also makes it easier to prioritize tasks at a glance. Imagine having a rainbow of structure whenever you open your calendar, letting you know what requires your immediate attention and what can be tackled later. Next, let's explore the different calendar views available: day, week, month, and agenda. Each of these views serves its own purpose. If you're someone who has a lot of daily appointments, the day view might be your best friend. Prefer to get a broader picture of your week or month? Switch to those views to have a wider lens over your schedule. Play around to find which one fits your workflow best. Reminders are another critical feature. Configure these to help ensure you never miss a deadline or appointment again. You can set them up as pop-up alerts or emails, whatever suits your style of planning. Trust me, having reminders set up can be a lifesaver on those particularly busy days. Managing to-do lists can be cumbersome if you're using multiple tools. Luckily, Google Calendar has a tasks feature that allows you to incorporate your to-dos directly into your schedule. Jot down your tasks, set deadlines, and watch as they integrate seamlessly with your calendar events. When scheduling meetings, it's always a good idea to include the address of the meeting location. This small detail might seem minor, but it can eliminate a lot of back and forth confirming where you're supposed to be, ensuring you're on the same page with all participants. Setting up recurring events is another way to reduce your workload. If there's a regular meeting or task, simply automate it. This lightens the mental load and allows you to focus on more pressing things. By using these strategies, your Google Calendar can become an incredibly efficient tool to manage your year seamlessly. Try implementing these tips to say goodbye to chaos and hello to the well-organized year ahead. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.